Hi you guys, my name is Rah and I'm the owner of Rah and Perez Salon and also of Rah Gift Collections. And I just want to go over a couple of my products with you guys just to give you a little tutorial on how I use these products and how often you should use them and what they're good for. I hope you guys like them and enjoy the video. Salon and the owner of Rah's Gift Collection, and I just came on here real quick to go over a couple of items that I'll be having on my website. The first one, as you can see, is the face mask. This is the Watch Me Glow face mask. I just applied it. I normally do this face mask 3 times out the week. I'm just anal like that. So what you would want to do is apply this mask on damp face, and then you just put it on. I just put it on, I put it on. I thought I was recording and I didn't record. And don't judge me because I have a spoon. I have no idea what my spatula is. I always buy spatulas and then end up losing it again. So what I do is I'll just apply this on like so, all the areas that I want. And originally, you want to do your whole face and then your neck area because the neck tends to age a lot faster than your face. And then you let this sit about 15 minutes, just let it dry. As you can see, it's starting to dry on my face, it's starting to peel. All of the areas that are dry, I'll just rinse. And then you just let it sit. To give you a little background of myself, the whole reason on why I started to use this mask was because I was actually coming off of my depot shop, I want to say about 5 years back, and my jawline just kept breaking out so bad right in this area, and it just broke out like every other week for about 6 months until the depot shot actually came out of my system. And I couldn't stand it. I couldn't deal with it. I couldn't take it. And I just put together some things, and I knew some things that worked, and this just happened to be the best. It helps, like I said, also with dark spots, tightening up the skin all at the same time, and it just gives you this beautiful natural glow, which is the best. Who wouldn't want to glow, right? So that's how I came up with this. So as I'm waiting for my hair for the mask to dry, I normally put my hair oil on my hair. So like my combination go-to for fast hair growth and beautification, I have my hair oil, which is like my Bible. My vitamins, which I take on a daily basis. I take it twice a day, one in the morning, one at night. And then I also take this oil right here, which is Rah's Gift oil. This oil is just like God's gift, which is why I named it Rah's Gift, because this oil has over 100 benefits of what it can do for the body. It helps, for the main reason I really love this oil is it'll help move the mucus within your respiratory area. And also it's just, oh, that oil is so beautiful. Anything that you can possibly think of, you can use that oil for internally and externally for it to help it cure. It would do the trick. You can put it on cuts, bruises, burns, your hair, and take it internally, and it's just, you have so much energy, just so, you have this beautiful glow from that oil as well. It's really good for skin too as well. So I use that oil. I use the hair oil, and the vitamins are my favorite to go to for promote hair growth. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I apply the oil in to my hair. So I normally just put like a couple of drops in my hair. And I'm gonna go rinse this off because the mask is drying. Just a couple of drops in my hair. I did some earlier, so I don't wanna put too much on. And just massage it through your scalp. All the areas that you want it, for it to promote the hair growth. I did my edges already. All right, and I'll just let that sit. I normally do put the oil on damp hair. That's the best time to put it on. And you just let it sit. You put that oil on. I do it 3 times a week. You can do it how often you feel is needed. But the oil is really heavy, and it does have a smell to it. It's a little strong, a little potent. And so yeah, I'll do it 3 times a week, and you just let that sit. And I actually, let me show you guys, because I actually should have started recording last week. Last week, I didn't have as much new growth as I do this week. I just colored my hair, and I think last week I was about right here, and look how much new growth I actually have. I'm gonna show you guys next week outcome too, because it grows pretty fast by doing all of those the methods and things that I just said that I use on a faithfully, like on a regular. Sometimes I have to stop using like the vitamins and just all of it together, because everything will be growing out of control. And that's the only downfall about the products. They really work. They just, like, you'll be hairy. You know, if you don't want to be hairy, well, I don't know. You may not want to take it as often. Okay, so I'm gonna go and rinse this mask off because it's drying, and I'll get right back to you. You guys, I had to get real close to the camera because, you know, I know I got a glow going on, and you can't really tell because, you know, I feel like I'm in a dark spot of the house or something. I don't know. I'm not feeling it, but let's get a little closer. I'm just playing. All right, so then I'll go over with the vitamin water. So you just spray a couple of sprays. I already put the, oh, it's so refreshing. Feels so good. Okay. And you just do that. All right, so that's that for the face mask. I also want to go over my body butter. So the body butter comes in this, looks like this, and this is the body butter. Now what you would do, you apply this on. This is my baby too, because I like really soft skin. I don't know about anybody else. I can't stand having rough feet, okay? And if you stand up all day like me doing hair, baby, it can get real sometimes, you know? And when you go to the nail shop, sometimes they don't like have that vitamin, that good moisturizer for, you know, melanite people's skin. And, you know, it tend to dry up more than it does. It helps us. And, you know, I'm just not with all of that. So I love this body butter because it has so many vitamins in it. The things that come from nature, the things that we need for melanite people, such as ourselves, people that look like me, for our skin. And it just puts the moisture back in it. It puts the vitamins back in it. And it's so beautiful. So this is one of the things that's also featured. You can see I be going through this thing. I feature on my skin. You can actually put this in your hair. You can put it on your face. You can put it wherever. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. And like I said, those are just a couple of things I wanted to go over with you guys. You have to excuse me. I don't know what's going on outside, but they're really loud, and I'm going to cut the video. I love you guys from a genuine place.